Welcome to the California Community College's MyPath College Portal Administration Instructional Tutorial. This tutorial guide is intended for College Portal administrators. Administrators will be able to log in to the MyPath portal and use the Tenant Admin panel to communicate directly with their student population, as well as to configure the look, feel, and content of their college's portal to customize what those students see and experience. There are 4 modules in this series, taking you through the basic configurations and functions of the CCC MyPath portal. In this module, Portal Basics, we will cover how to configure the look and feel of the theme of your college or district portal as an administrator. At the end, you'll understand the role of the portal and portlets in the CCC MyPath experience and MyPath basic structure. You'll see what you can do with the CCC MyPath as an administrator, and you'll learn about the basic end-user experience. Let's get started. A portal is a website that acts as a container for consolidating information and services from a variety of sources so that they appear as one cohesive site. CCC MyPath contains individual and unique college and district portals. Each individual college portal contains built-in portlets for managing their portal. Put plainly, portlets are web applications that accept client requests and respond with information. They're designed for uniformity and are displayed to appear as one web page in the context of the portal. A common example of a portlet would be the message boards found on some websites. Each board can accept client requests in the form of new board post entries, and then the portlet responds by translating those entries into posts that all have a similar look and feel consistent with the rest of the website. An example of a portlet within the MyPath portal would be the advisor cards, like the Explore Careers card, the Apply for Admission card, or the Financial Aid Info card that display within each unique college or district portal, sort of like buttons or tabs. The advisor cards are a built-in feature in the CCC MyPath portal that provides student-tailored information via the links in each card. Your portal houses portlets that allow your users to engage in a custom, meaningful, and productive experience. The CCC MyPath portal is what is referred to as a multi-tenant application. In technical terms, each college or district portal is called a tenant because it's contained by a larger CCC MyPath portal. The larger portal is designed to house all of the California community colleges and therefore supports what is referred to as multi-tenancy. In the same way that a homeowner might rely on common gardening or security services arranged for by a homeowners association, portal multi-tenancy means that every individual college or district portal enjoys certain universal features, including a dedicated portion of the CCC MyPath portal, access to portal data portlets and basic functionality like login, searching, etc., configuration control of portal page appearance, portal page user management, allowing control over which authenticated users see what information, and automatic application of software updates. The benefits of being a tenant mean that you, as administrators, can focus on your look and your content rather than coding or software maintenance. Administration access for each individual college or district portal is reserved for the portal administrator for that college. Administrators have access to functions like tenant portal administration, such as managing portlets and managing the skin or the look of the tenant portal, fragment administration, which includes control over the different pieces that make up your portal, like the content pages, apps, and pathways, advisor card administration, admin messaging, the admin messaging log, survey administration, and additional portlet access, including CCC help, pinboard, and statistics. Individual control of functions like these allow college or district administrators to create a unique and relevant experience for their end users, the student population. There are essentially 2 kinds of users for the CCC MyPath portal: college administrators and college students. The primary difference between these two users is that the administrator's role is to customize the look, feel, and content of their portal for their student users. Administrators configure the portlets with which the students will interact. The administrators build the structure that houses practically everything the student will need during their tenure with a California community college. For both types of users, the common portal experience includes searching, navigation, and linking to content. Some portal navigation items are the same for both user types. Both log into a portal to see a header bar that displays a search bar. Users can enter a search term assisted by an auto-suggest feature and click the search icon to retrieve results. Both user types may also click on the CCC MyPath logo in the upper left-hand corner at any time to return to the home screen. Specifically for college students, the portal acts as a one-stop shop for their college information. Students log into their college's portal to get information they need for college success, to interact with recommended topics based on specific needs and interests, like a college directory or course catalog, or even to get information on salaries for different graduates of specific programs. Depending on how the administrators have chosen to configure their portal, these topics might display as static content portlets, application launcher portlets linking to other, perhaps more detailed content, advisor card portlets, surveys, or even portal messaging set up directly by the administrators. For portal administrators, the view is a little different. Portal administrators are considered the initial user of the portal, and they will configure the look and feel of the content that students see. Administrators, therefore, need the tools to build that one-stop shop for their student users. While the administrator logs in to see the same header and search bar as the student user, the administrator also sees clickable tabs beneath the search bar that let them navigate through configuration portlets, like the Tenant Admin tab and the Survey Admin tab. They also see administrative panels used for creating different kinds of portlets, like static content portlets, application launcher portlets, and advisor card portlets, and for creating messages through portal messaging, email, or even SMS text message. It's through creation of these portlets that administrators can customize their content by including text information, linking to third-party websites, or even launching different kinds of applications for their students. All the tools needed to build a functional and valuable asset for your students are built right into the administrator's CCC MyPath portal. One of the most commonly used functions within the portal for all users is the universal search bar, which can be found at the top of the screen. The search bar includes autocomplete functionality so that suggested search options appear beneath the text bar as you type. Here you can see we can begin typing a search for a common term like career, and after the first few letters, the search bar suggests several options that we could click if they were what we wanted. After hitting the search key, users would be taken to a results page with all the relevant possibilities that the unique college or district portal contains. In that way, it functions just like any other search engine to help you as an administrator and your student users to access any and all of the portlets and pathways that the portal can provide. Congratulations on completing Module 1 of the CCC MyPath Portal Administration Instructional Tutorial. We've discussed the role of the portal and portlets in the CCC MyPath experience and MyPath's basic structure. We've also discussed what you can do with CCC MyPath as an administrator and the basic end-user experience. You can continue your learning about the CCC MyPath portal with the Administration Instructional Tutorial's second module, Configuring the Theme. You can access the modules of this course at any time through the CCC Education Planning Initiative at cccedplan.org. And for more in-depth instruction, you can also access the written College Portal Administration User Guide available for download, or you can call or email the California Community College's Technology Center.